Baby, please, what did the doctor say?
The doctor said that it's just going to...
Hey, baby, please, don't lie to me. Don't hide anything from me. Am I going to die?
No.
No. But you'll never be able to have a child.
Mama?
What is Mama? No, what is Mama?
What is wrong with you?
How do you mean?
Hey, no.
Is it true?
No.
Is it?
No, she's lying. She's lying, my life. That's a lie. Oh, it's okay.
It's
okay.
That is what you get for being so careless. How could you? Who were you thinking? A superwoman or Wonder Woman or what? Eh? Now listen. I will not allow you to ruin my son's life with your damaged mood.
Mama.
What is Mama?
I would have to ask you to leave now.
There won't be need for that. Because I'm already leaving.
Please.
And as for you, Ujunga, stay away from Anthony. Mama. I suffered so much. You want to push me out?
Just leave, please.
I will not be alive and watch him marry you. Trust me on that.
Please leave.
And you.
Leave, Mama, leave.
Stop.
Bear in mind that I will always be here for you. This too shall pass. It's okay.
Things happened and you never cared to tell anyone, not even your mother?
Tony and I agreed to get married and keep whatever happened between us. He wanted us to make it a secret. I'm sorry. Uncle, I'm sorry. Mama, don't touch me.
There is nothing to be sorry for. He must marry her. I am very disappointed in you. Very, very disappointed. We are going to send word across to the young man. He must marry her because he cannot put our daughter in this condition and abandon her. There will be no one else to marry her. So he must marry her. Children of nowadays. Today this, tomorrow that. Where are we headed? Generation of vipers.
Why do you choose to do this to me? What have I done to you? Why? Don't touch me!
Mama, good morning. Good morning. How was your night? You don't look fine to me. And I think I know why.
Mama, if your son continues like this, I will take my bag, take my son, and return to my father's house. Why is he torturing me like this? Is it a crime to be married to him?
You're not going anywhere. Please, give him more time. That is why I'm here.
Mama, for how long? For how long? Mama, I am too young to be going through all this emotional torture.
Like I said, I'll talk to him. He listens to me. Please. Please. Okay?
Okay, Mama.
Look at me. All I want you to do is eat, sleep, and make more grandchildren for me. Mama! Is it too much to ask? Please. Please. For me.
Okay.
Thank you. So now tell me, what do you want for breakfast? Let me go and prepare it. Amara! Amara! Come now. What is it? Breakfast is served.
Mama, I did not come to this house to eat and die. I'm tired of Tony. I just want to go in, pack my things and take my son and leave. I'm so tired of Tony.
Please come. Please. Just calm down. Whatever it is, we'll settle it as family. Oh?
There are limits to what you can do. You can take a horse to the stream, but you cannot force it to drink water. You cannot force your son to treat me differently.
I can. Trust me, I can. Anthony is my only son. I wouldn't watch him go astray. It's not possible. Please, because of me. Oh, stay. Biko. Please.
No, I've heard you.
I will arrange house help for you. At least to help you out with the house chores, okay? Please. I can even get 2 of them if you want.
Mama, 1 is fine.
Are you sure? Okay. First thing tomorrow morning, someone will be here for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Trust me, you will never regret this marriage. Please, sit.
There is time for everything. Be careful in this life. Makonye Marie Fenabella when you do. Hey, what?
Annabelle, sleep over now.
No, I can't. I have things to do. I have to go.
Okay.
Ujuma, are you sure about this? I am not comfortable with you getting married to your sister's husband. It's absurd. It's not making sense. I am not comfortable with it.
Annabelle, but I told you in there that my uncle is in support. I told him everything.
Ujuma.
The truth is, I have come to love Tony a lot. It is more like an obsession. Listen to me, if getting married to Tony is a crime, then I'm ready to commit it. The only thing I don't want from you now is judging me. I'm wearing the shoes, I know where it hurts.
I'm not judging you, Drew. I'm not just comfortable with it.
My friend, please give me a response. Are you sleeping over or not?
I'm not sleeping over. I have
Please
things to
now.
do. I need to go home. I have things to do. Come and see me off. Let's go.
for you if you
Please, I've missed you, so you didn't even miss me.
What do I do? But I have gist for you. If you sit back, I'll tell you all about it.
You will not marry a second wife. I forbid it.
I will, Mama. Ujunwa is my wife. She's the woman I love.
She will never be accepted into this household. Oh, Jaco, talk to this boy. Talk to Antonio.
I have made up my mind, Mama. Stop wasting your time. I have made up my mind and nothing will change it. I must marry her. Save your strength.
Look, Antonio, what I, as an elder, sees sitting here, you cannot see it.
Climb on top of the tree and see it. I'm used to it.
But this time around, you must put it in practice. Yeah, you are still too young to get entangled with two women. What to talk of two sisters. And then me, alcohol. And instead of all this, let us begin to plan on how to do what, how to settle the people. Let's go and settle our people, that's all.
I could leave all this English and tango. I want her, period. People should save the stress. Why are you telling me as if you owe my life for me?
This girl has
You're
changed
always doing that. I must marry her.
Do you know this girl has bewitched you, Anthony? You want to marry two sisters? Now let me tell you, if you must marry that girl, you better go and look for where she will stay, because she will not come into this house.
Like you built this house for me.
Try me.
My wife stays here and that is fine now.
Try me.
Okay. Uncle, please, I'm inside. I have things doing, please.
Anthony!
Think.
Anthony!
Think.
Oh, Jacob, are you watching the movie?
And if I'm almost, these are kids. We'll handle it. Don't worry.
You should remember everything we discussed. Amara is your younger sister. Both of you should learn to live in peace. After all, whatever has happened has happened.
Yes. We don't want to hear stories from any of you. You two should live in peace as sisters.
Amara and I will live in peace. That I promise.
That's very good. Omunta Kwenu.
Yeah.
Kwenu.
Yeah.
Kwenu.
Yeah.
You see, my people, this whole thing has lingered for a very long time. Yes. And today, we thank God that everything has been completed. All that has taken place all these years, today now, everything is over. Yes. And over in a very good manner. In fact, Kwenu again.
Yeah.
Kwenu. Thank you, my in-laws.
All I can say is thank you. Unawaka. Ozogo. Bacha. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
Thank you, my in-laws. Thank you so much. In fact, we have to start going. You know, our son here and the wife, they will be going back to the city very soon. So they need to go and start getting ready. You people have done wonderfully well. Thank you very much.
You did well too.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Then
and now. If I did man. Yes.
Thank you so much.
So which one do you prefer?
Mama, come.
Madam, he's sleeping now.
Okay, go to the fridge. You will see a list on top of it. Rush down to the street market and get the things in it. Okay. If you like, when you get there, just sleep and spend the whole day. You better come back before my son wakes up. Mama, if I show you the things in here, you will be...
Good afternoon, ma'am.
What is good about this afternoon?
Mama.
What is Mama?
Anyway, I don't have your time now. Go upstairs. Take your stuffs out of my bedroom. My wife is here.
She will do no such thing.
I must stay away from this.
I won't. Not while I'm still here and alive.
I hope you heard what I just said.
You don't have a place here. You don't belong to this family. So don't even think about it.
So, because you're wearing this stupid red cap, that's why you're commanding me take my things out of the room. You will need an entire army troop to take me out of my matrimonial room. Do you understand me?
Really? Really? Alright, we'll see to it.
What are you planning to do? Mama, I will kill somebody in this house, so. What are you doing?
Are you blind? Are you blind? You're asking me what am I doing? Leave this room. I'm tired of this nonsense you and Mama is doing in this house. You're asking me what am I doing?
Get out! Are you mad? Look at this thing! Are you okay? You have the guts to bring out my things. I should leave this house. Are you mad?
Are you talking back at me?
I'm not going anywhere.
Are you
Don't try me. Don't try me.
If I slap you, you will change color. Do you know how much a bag of cement is cost? Do you build this house for me? I call the shots here and I'm telling you, you are not allowed in this house. Come on, take this bullshit and go to wherever you like. What's my business?
No problem, I will leave. Is this even a house?
Calling me if I'm
Is
mad.
this the kind of house your mates are building? Have you seen Mashon? This dungeon? No problem,
My
I'll leave
friend,
the
get
house.
out of here. Carry this here, get out of my dungeon. Mogo. Leave here, you're looking at me. Are you deaf?
Good and fine. I will live with my son.
You say?
I will live with my son.
Don't touch my boy, yo. Don't touch my boy.
Oh, you don't want me, but you want my son.
If you
You are a
don't want my
madman. You are a madman. You don't want me, but you want my son.
Don't touch my boy.
I don't want to push you. Carry your box and get out of this house.
Mama, please.
Now!
Now what? Huh?
You're asking me now what?
Uh-huh.
She doesn't belong here.
She does as what? As what now?
You're asking me.
Mama, can you stop talking to my wife disrespectfully?
Oh, so it's okay for you to talk to your own mother disrespectfully, right?
Oh, please. No. Enough of this bullshit.
Shut up! You're the evil seed the devil planted in my house to bring disunity. You think I don't know? You think I'm ignorant of the device of the devil?
Yes, leave this thing you're saying. Bring which...
I'm going to kill him and kill myself. I will end it all today. I will kill him and stab myself. You want me to leave, right? But I'm going to stab him and stab myself.
No, please. Don't leave. Don't leave, please. This is not good at all. This is the devil. This is the handwork of the devil.
Come close to me. I swear to God, I will stab this boy.
No. Please, I'm begging you. Please. I'll return your stuff back to the wardrobe, please.
You know I love you. Biko, we are sorry. He's sorry, I'm sorry, Biko. Oh, name Biko. My angel.
If you ever ask me to leave this house again, I'm going to kill this boy.
Never.
I swear I will kill him.
Never.
And I will kill myself.
I will never ever do that.
Please.
Please, don't do this, please.
Please, calm down. Please. My love.
Okay?
Biko. My beautiful angel. My daughter-in-law.
Please.
Biko. What?
Please.
Arokagwa.
Please.
Biko. Stainless steel. Oh.
This world is not a bed of roses. Every sweet thing's at times.
We will love you forever.
As bitterness at end. There is time for everything. Be careful in this life. Makonye marifena balawe. A word is enough for a wise. Stop boasting.
What?
It's about Noso's change of clothes. And money to register for immunization here.
I dropped money on the dining.
It is not enough, Tony.
What do you mean it is not enough?
Please calm down. Calm down. How much are we talking about here?
300,000 naira for immunization and get few clothes for him for the meantime.
300,000 naira. Anthony, what is wrong with you? 300,000 naira to buy clothes for your son and register him for immunization.
For the meantime, Mama.
Oh, come on. Things are expensive.
Mama, he doesn't know this. He doesn't.
So how much do you want me to give to her?
Like 400.
500 to 1 million. That's all. Nothing less than that.
Okay, I'll send the money to her.
You have to do it this morning.
Mama, let's go.
It's okay. Listen. Take care of my son, okay?
I will, Mama.
If you need anything, just tell me. I'll take care of it.
Thank you.
Be good, okay?
Alright, Mama.
Alright, bye.
What goes up must come down. What goes up must come down. What goes up must come down. Stop boasting, stop boasting. And I read you when I can. What goes up must come down. What goes up must come down. What goes up must come down.
Hello, Ndubisi. My husband just sent me the money he promised. So forward me your account details and I will make the transfer. Favor! Favor! Where is the water I asked you to boil?
Auntie asked me to boil noodles for. I'm sorry, ma.
Sorry, kill you! Kill your father, your mother, and every member of your wretched family. Ewausa!
Amara, that wasn't necessary.
Bia. Ochakomaka, please, stay away from whatever I do with my husband. It's none of your business.
Need I remind you that I am still your elder sister?
My elder sister. My elder sister. Yet we share the same man. My elder sister somehow shamelessly found her way into my home. Married my husband. Sleeps with my husband. Now let me tell you how it is in this house in case you're too slow to understand. My husband, Odogu, he's the king of this house. And I am the queen. Our son also is the prince of his kingdom. And you, my elder sister, you are just a concubine. You're an abomination.
My sister's hatred is getting worse day by day. I don't know what to do. Lord, please come to my aid. My sister's hatred is getting worse day by day. I don't know what to do. Lord, please come to my aid. I'm in sorrow. Lord, please come to my aid. My life is shambles. Lord, please come to my aid. I'm crying day and night. I don't know what to do. Lord, please come to my aid. I'm in sorrow. Lord, please come to my aid. My life is shambles. Lord, please come to my aid. I am crying. Lord, please come to my aid. What have I done to deserve this? My sister's hatred. She vowed to destroy me. Why?
I'm not expecting you so soon. I hope everything is alright.
No, Mama. Everything is not okay. I'm not going back to that house. So. Nothing on earth will make me to go back to that house. I'm not working there anymore.
And who did you consult before leaving your place of work?
Mama.
And why did you come back? Why did you come back? Or say, Mama,
I don't want to work there. I don't want to work there anymore.
Amara, listen to me. You must go back to that house and continue your work. You must go back and continue your work. If not, this house will be too small for both of us.
Mama, I am never going anywhere. I'd rather suffer in my father's house than go back to that evil place. I didn't even ask me what happened. I'm not going anywhere.
Amara! Evil house. Amara! Amara, come back here! Amara! Amara, you come back!
Mama! Mama! Why are you doing this? What wrong have I committed against you?
I will tell you. Amarachi, I will tell you. You have done wrong by leaving the well-paid job in the city to come back to this village. Job that people are going around with a certificate looking for. Amara, you got it at the platter of gold. You chose to throw it away just like that.
Mama, I can work in this village. I'm a very hard-working person. I can go back to sewing now.
Says who? Says who? Why am I even wasting my time? Why am I even here talking to? Because shift your room.
Mama, what do you want to do?
Get out!
Mama, now!
Will I get out? Come on, get out. Bring it!
Mama, please help!
Hey! Come. Where do you think you're going? Madam.
Mama, I just want to see my friend.
To see your useless friends. Useless friends like you. Eh? That is the reason you left 30,000 naira monthly salary for city to come back to this village. Okuya? Okuya Amara?
Mama, my friends and I were not useless. I just want to see my friend. I'll be back soon.
Now listen. If you must stay in this house, I will dictate to you what to do and what not to. Stupid girl, go inside. Go inside and find something. Go inside and look for something to do.
I just want to see my friend now. We'll come back now.
Amara. I said go inside. Go inside. My daughter, I was seated here when Okada man brought her back. And since then, I've been asking her why she left a job of 30,000 naira in the city and come back here to this village. And she said nothing. Ujunwa, talk to her. Bakuyoku, talk to her because I will kill her. I will kill her like lion. I will strangle her with my bare hands. Talk to her. This house will be too hot for both of us. Bakuyoku, Bakuyoku.
Amara, why did you leave the city?
Am I not talking to a human being? Why are you here?
Nothing.
And what do you mean by nothing?
Nothing. That is all she said. This stupid girl, she wants to completely useless her life. She wants to become useless, totally useless in life.
Mama, calm down. Calm down, Biko. Oh?
Before she will kill me, I will kill her myself. I will kill her myself. Mama, I will kill her myself. I will kill you. I will kill you. Hey!
Mama, it's okay.
Okay. I will kill you.
They will just carry slippers and hit somebody.
Hey, shut up.
Amara,
Hey!
what do you want to make out of life? I can't believe you. So you left your mouth-watering salary back to the village simply because of that vulcanizer. That pig, that God-forsaken human being called into PC. I am disappointed in you.
I don't understand. Why is everybody calling him to be
My friend, shut up. Liar. Okay, you're back. Oyangwano, come and join us. Remain where? Here now, we will live together. No longer. Lie! It will not work. I can't believe it. Ndubisi? What possibly would she be doing in
Why is everybody calling him Ndubisi? It's not Ndubisi now.
Hey, shut up! Mama, don't let me slap you myself.
Don't put your ganging up against me. Be ganging up against me.
Aya, get out from here. Get out! Ooh! Attack on my car!
Is he alive? Is he alive? Oh, they can't get it. Wait. Is this not how it goes? Amara, is this you? You look one. Amara,
You saw me.
How did you get here? When did you return?
So, which of them do you want me to answer first? When did you get here? How did you return?
Sit down.
Look at your tummy. What are you eating?
Nemo, lift my tummy. It's Gary and the apple. What else? Eh? Loi. Ami. Look at how beautiful you look. Just how many months you left for the city? Eh? Look at how beautiful you now as you are shining.
It's okay.
Hey, how is your work?
Ndubisi, I'm back to the village for good.
You're back to the village for good, like you did not come to visit us. Like you have come to stay with us. You see what I told you? There is job in the village. There's plenty job in the village. But the people always look down on us. Say, there's no job in the village here. There's no job. Now, I'm happy that you are back now.
Okay.
Hey!
I'm back, so tell me, how is work with you?
My sister, you see us now. We are performing. We are pushing it small. And God is trying. Very soon we'll get to the permanent side. Ami.
Hey! Oh, you offer me something now.
What will I give you? Coke or Fanta? Malt. Oh! Ami is back. I'm coming. Look at how hot you look. Oh!
Go now, you're making me shy.
Is it more, Abby? I'm coming. Let me get one.
Hey! Since when did they start locking this door by this time of the day? Mama, it's me! Mama, what is this now?
You are still sleeping by this time of the day. I don't blame you. You left your job in the city to come back here and sleep away your life. A warfare.
Mama, why are you doing this to me? Why are you treating me like this?
If you mention my name again, thunder will strike you into pieces. Stupid girl. Ha!
And where do you think you're going with this wet body of yours?
Oh, I want to change my clothes.
You want to change your clothes, you're cold.
You want to drip water into a house that I have swept and mopped. Ekwa, Amara. Ochako Amaka, isi adi amma nebe. Otu ile dia odiko onye isi zuru eke. Ochako Amaka.
I want to go into the yard and say, oh yeah, take this broom and sweep the entire compound. Get things ready so that we go to the farm. Ngwa, where you are? Osiso. Anwafia. Ewumpama. Ewundensoka. Let's go inside, my brother.
Sir, you're watching my mom treat me like this. You cannot tell her the truth, Abby. You can't tell her to stop treating me like this. God will judge everybody in this house. Wicked people.
Amara! Amara Chuku! Amarachi! Where is this girl? Amara. Where is Amara?
Mama, I don't know what Amara has turned into. Amara has suddenly decided to sleep away her life.
Where is she now?
She's in the room.
What's this now? What's all this for now?
Amara! Eh? So, you left 30,000 naira salary in the city to come back to this village and sleep away your future. Up here? Hey, Amara!
Mama, what is the meaning of this thing that you just did now? What is the meaning?
Did you just talk back at Mama?
Amara! My daughter, wait! Don't mind her. Amara has grown. She has started following small vulcanizers in this village. Amara, now go to the farm. Bring that palm fruit. Go, officer!
I will not go anywhere. Am I the only person in this house? Am I the only girl living in this house?
Huh? Are you in any way referring to me?
Ignore her.
Every day, Amara, I will leave this house for everybody in this house. I will just leave this house.
Leave now.
Amara, do this, Amara, do that.
Leave.
Mama, I hope she's not referring to me. She's not in any way referring to me.
Don't mind her at all. Oh, Akugum.
Mama,
how are you?
I'm fine.
So,
Mama, I'm suspecting something.
Huh? What is that? What could that be?
It is just an observation. I observed since. I've been observing Amara since she got back from the city. And I think, I'm not too sure, but I think Amara may be pregnant.
God forbid. What?
Mama, this is not God forbid matter. It is not God forbid matter. It is a matter of urgency. It is a matter of finding out if truly she's pregnant and get whosoever that is responsible to marry her before your CWO women get to find out. You know what they are capable of if they find out that your daughter got pregnant out of wedlock. Ha! Hey!
Wait, Ujua. Ujua,
Mama.
Are you sure? I mean, Ujua, did you observe her very well? Are you sure?
Like I said, Mama, I may be wrong. But it is my observation. Due to her, sleeping often these days. Amara sleeps at any given time. She gets tired easily. Any way you see Amara, she's sleeping. Is that not signs of pregnancy? Okay, Mama, you are a woman. Henceforth, start observing her. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay, you start observing her.
Ujua. Hey.
Ujua, Mama, I did not say this for you to. Just an observation from my own end. Sit well. Mama, I may be wrong, oh, I'm not sure, I may be wrong. Hey. Just an observation. Lie down. I'm not going to bite you. Lie down. Ah! Amara. Ah! So, Amara, you're pregnant.
I'm not pregnant, Mama.
Amara, you're pregnant. Hey! Hey, Fomo! So, Amara, you're pregnant.
I'm not pregnant, Mama.
You're not pregnant. So you don't know that you're pregnant, Amara. Hey! Hey! Ask her. Amara, is it true?
I'm not pregnant.
Speaky! Is it true?
I'm not pregnant.
Shut up! Shut up! You're pregnant! You're pregnant, Amara! Go back here. Hey! Go back. Amara! Hey! I am disappointed in you. Who got you pregnant? You can't talk again. My friend, speak up. Your sister is pregnant. Now tell me, who is the lucky idiot that got you pregnant, Amara? Amara, talk! Hey! Hey! You don't want to talk. You don't want to talk again. Eh? Are there so many that you don't know who got you pregnant? Amarachi. Amarachuku, for the last time, who got you pregnant? Mama, why are you stressing yourself? Why are you stressing yourself over this girl? Eh? You and I know who got her pregnant. You know and I know. Who else if not that stupid good for nothing Ndubisi, that vulcanizer? Hey! I am disappointed in you. Fear Kwagi. Ndubisi, the vulcanizer. Ndubisi, useless boy that has no future. Ndubisi got you pregnant. Of all the potential men in this village, it's Ndubisi you choose to open your leg for. You choose to open your legs for Ndubisi, Amarachi. I am disappointed in you. Take a good look at you. As beautiful as you are, it is Ndubisi you settled for. Of all the men in the city, you couldn't catch one person for yourself. It is Ndubisi you came back to the village to get pregnant for. Yeah? Look at you. It has happened. I hope you're ready for the consequences.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
No, you don't need to be sorry. You have to go and meet your sweetheart in the BC. You are now a married woman. Oh boy. You have married now. Hey! Amarachi. Amarachi. Chai. Fear! Fear, Kwagi! Hey! Hey, where do you think you are going? Amara, where do you think you're going? You want to get him? You did not hear Mama. Did you not hear Mama tell you to go and meet who is responsible for this thing you have? Hey, don't touch me! Don't touch me, Amara! I am disappointed in you. So you couldn't emulate from me. I am your elder sister. Did you for one day here I got pregnant? Silly thing. Go and look for who got you pregnant. Go and meet him there. Yeah. here. Mama. Come here, this girl. What's your problem? Eh? What is your problem? Look, I cannot be punished in the church because of you. I cannot be punished for bringing up a wayward child like you, Amarachi. You want to make me a laughing stock in this village, Okoya? You want to make me a laughing stock?
No.
Who is responsible? Because you must go and live with that useless, good-for-nothing boy. You must go and live with him.
Ndubisi is not responsible for this, Mama. He's not responsible for it.
Eh? Ndubisi is not responsible. Who is responsible for this?
I don't know.
You mean you don't know who got you pregnant? Wait. Hey! You mean there are so many that you don't even know one? You don't know one person. Okay, count them. How many are there? Eh? You don't know. You don't know. They will not bring shame to me. Who is the person? Who is the person? Who is the person? Tell me. Amara, what is it? What is what? I want to make it easy and simple for you. I have brought to you the goods you ordered.
Which goods?
And on high purchase. Whenever you get money, you can pay.
Mama, the last time I checked, the only goods you sell is akpo now. Is Amara your daughter akpo?
No, Amara is not akpo. She is your pregnant wife.
Chineke?
Yes.
Nebezi?
I want you to keep her and the baby. I am giving her to you on a high purchase. But if anything happens to her, you will hear from my people. Not only that you will hear from my people, me, Mua, I will show you.
Amara, how can you take this kind of lies against me now?
Which lies?
Me and you,
shut up! How can you tell this?
You come to my house and push me down.
Listen, take good care of her. Me? Take good care of her. Hey, you will see the other side of me.
Amara, why are you lying
against
me?
Shut up! Take good care of her.
How can you lie against me now?
I swear, I didn't tell her this. I don't know what's wrong with my mother.
You swear, are you pregnant? Here. You have to leave my house, please. Before leaving that group out there. You have to go, please. I'm not. Leave. I'm stopping. What is all this now? Can you say I impregnated somebody I did not impregnate? Have I impregnated myself? Talk less of impregnating somebody. Oh, slap you silly. You silly brother.
Hey, my fellow women, what a pleasant visit. You're welcome.
Uloma, we are not here for friendly visits.
Let me bring Kola. Oh, come.
Uloma, come back. We have come to address an important issue concerning the CWO. We have invited you severally and you refuse to come. Huh? What is it? What is wrong with you?
My fellow women, you are right. You have invited me, but I did not come. I am very, very busy. Biko, I am very busy.
Busy taking care of your pregnant daughter.
Udoka, watch your mouth. Don't talk to me like that.
We are here already.
Huh? What is wrong with you?
We are here already, Uloma. Secretary, please let her know our final discussion the last meeting we made.
The CWO women have removed you from your duty as a treasurer, and you have been vowed to receive Holy Communion from now on.
But why? This is not my fault. Should I abandon my daughter or throw her away? What do you have me do? if you were in my shoe.
Uloma, if you had played the role of a good mother as Mother Mary taught us, your daughter wouldn't have messed herself up the way she did. Ibajone! Uloma, Ibajone!
Take a good look at yourself. You are the first sad, pregnant woman I have seen. If you had listened to Mama and I, you wouldn't have found yourself in this condition.
Pound it very well. Amara, Pound it very well. Pound it smoothly. You know how I used to like it now? Pound it.
Mama, I'm very tired. My tummy.
Please, pound this thing. Pound it. Keep pounding.
Mama, it is okay. Let me help.
Help who? Leave her. Help her to do what? Pound it. Pound it very well. I know the tactics. If you finish and when the food is ready, good. You can die if you like. Are you? Go inside. Go inside. Help here. Pound it. Keep pounding, Biko. Amarachi. I know. I will not help you. Stand up and pound it. I'll beat you. Amarachi. Hey, this girl is trying my patience. Ujunwa, come and see your sister. I don't know what she's playing. Amara, she don't want to pound again. Amara, Amara, stand up and pound this. Mama, somebody help us, Amara.
I don't want to get any further complaint about you in this house. I'm getting sick and tired of it. I try my best to provide for both of you individually.
Oh! So, she ran to you. She shamelessly reported the murder of your son to you. And you're here saying all this rubbish. Aye!
If not for anything, respect the fact that she is your elder sister.
Oh, please! Let us sit on my foot. And as for you, what moral decency do you have to preach to me, you bloody rapist? What kind of a husband are you? Are you cursed? I am so disappointed at you.